The Supreme Court has denied Subrata Roy any relief, including his group's plea for a house arrest instead of being behind bars at Tihar Jail. Now, the judges said that Roy has not been punished yet and he is only in judicial custody. Shrira Meyer joins us with more details on what really transpired at the court today. Hi, Shrira.
The big battalion of high-profile lawyers that Sahara has have been trying to get Subrata Roy out of prison for a while now. But that hasn't really materialized, even if that means keeping him in house arrest. They made this appeal to the Supreme Court saying that he has to meet the potential investors who will probably buying those assets that he has to sell for him to mobilize the 10,000 crores that the court has asked of him immediately. Now, the Supreme Court has really not paid any heed to these appeals. In fact, we heard some other interesting appeals. If he cannot be taken out of prison, then the lawyers asked if he can be given home food in prison. So I suppose he doesn't like what is available there. And also he wanted permission to make more phone calls, because if he can't be taken out of prison, then he needs to speak to these investors, right? To convince them to buy these assets for which he needs for which he needs to speak to them. But he's currently allowed only 3 calls a day and 3 minutes each at best. So some of these appeals were very interesting, but the Supreme Court has denied any such relief to Subrata Roy till the April 16th, which is when the court will hear this matter once again. And the judges have really clearly said that at one way or the other, they want to decide on this matter on April 16th. So the arguments will have to end before that. And some other interesting observations from the Supreme Court. They have said that Subrata Roy is in judicial custody and not punished yet. Now that's a very interesting thing coming in from the judges. So one can infer that in case Subrata Roy is found guilty, if the court finds him guilty, in which case there might be some more punitive action against him. But at this stage, it's very difficult to say that. The judges have said that he's in judicial custody and not under punishment. So April 16th is the big day to watch out for. We can expect a verdict from the Supreme Court one way or the other.